In this video, we are going to understand the working of typecasting. So typecasting is basically converting one data type into another. In this particular example, you can see we have taken one variable and we have given the value 10. Likewise, we have taken another variable and we have given a value 2. But here you can see that we have used double quotes. So if we are using double quotes, then it will not be an integer, it will be a string. That means a group of characters. So here we have to convert the string into integer, and this is how we do it. So this is the formula that we have used for typecasting. Whatever the value of y is there, that is supposed to be converted into an integer using this function, and whatever the output will be of this function generated, it will be stored in this variable x, and then we are going to add it twice, and the value will be stored in this particular variable, which is sum, and by the end we are going to print it. So basically we are converting this into integer, adding it twice, that would be 2 plus 2 4, and we are going to print the sum. So in order to run it, click on the run module, and on the shell you will get the output like this.